You gonna go help Daddy? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Bye-bye. Yeah, no, don't look at me.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Bruno, come on, boy.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be going through my closet. That's what's open here behind me. That's what these bin things are. I've been through my closet a couple of times, but I am no longer teaching. I haven't been teaching for like the past year, but I have turned in my letter to not come back. So I don't need that clothing anymore. And I basically just wear like t-shirts and comfy pants. So I don't need a ton of this that I have. And I feel like it's just weighing me down. So I'm gonna get rid of some of it. I'm probably not gonna talk. It's just gonna be sped up. So I'm sorry if you don't like that, but you will be able to see the stack of things that I get rid of at the end. But yeah. If you enjoyed, please share to subscribe down below. I also will have all of my reselling platforms as well as my all-natural skincare makeup business linked below for you all. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I just finished. I'm getting rid of 27 things. I'm only gonna try to sell one thing because the others, they just either have too much wear or to me they're not like a good enough brand for me to try to resell. But I'll probably just put them in like our yard sale stack because our yard sale stack is huge. We need to have one. But I feel a lot better. I feel like I was holding on to a lot of these for really no reason. And a lot of them were like basics that you can just kind of like, you know, like whites you can see through. And I'm not going to layer. I'm just not going to. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.